Have you ever seen something new and thought, why didn't I think of that? Well, that's what this is. So I'm sure in your kitchen you have this very familiar set of Pyrex measuring cups. The 1 cup, the 2 cup, and the 4 cup. I mean, it's just a staple in the kitchen. If you don't have them, it's a great thing to have because they're so practical. I put my 1/3 of a cup of egg whites in here, throw 3 eggs in, scramble it, go straight in. I use these to mix and measure all the time. But sometimes I want to meal prep. Sometimes I want to make something ahead, leave it in the refrigerator. Sometimes I'm cooking a lot of things at one time, might want to cover it. That's where this comes in. This is brilliant. So wait till I show you what this is all about. Besides, it's in a nice gift box, by the way. So if you know somebody who has these measuring cups, this is a great gift. It's lids, and they're silicone, which is just so brilliant. They go right on, fit perfectly, and look at this. They've got the opening, so you can put it here where the lip is, and it'll pour from it. And it's got a little strainer piece, so you can put it here and strain it. So you know, in this large one, I have the latest design the same way. I'm gonna make my hibiscus tea and then just strain it out into a pitcher. Is that not smart? But if you wanna store something, then you just put the solid part and there you go. It couldn't be more perfect. Like I said, why didn't I think of this?